Naam, salamu alaikum. Poleni tena. I don't know why, but ilikatika hii session midway. I didn't realize it. But I have recorded a session for you for the last two questions. So you'll confirm, yani mtaiangalia when you have your own time. So the other question was this question, which says the figure below shows two equal circles with radius 7 centimeter each, with centers x and y. The two circles are in contact at Q. So given that AXD equal to angle PYC equal to 120 degrees, the lines AB, XQY and DC are parallel. Calculate the area of question A, the minor sector XAQD. So minor sector ni hii hapa. So umeambiwa to calculate hii hapa. This part. Sawa mpaka hapo. This is the parts which we supposed to calculate. So, haya. So the minor sector, remember these two lines are parallel. These three lines are parallel to each other, and the radius that you have is 7 centimeter. So it means that hapa ni 7 centimeter, hapa pia ni 7 centimeter. So from x to y ni a total of 14 centimeter. So let's calculate the minor sector XAQD, which is just equal to XAQD minus sector yake. Sector is given by 1 theta over 360 pi r squared. Theta over 360 pi r squared. So theta yako ni 120 degrees. Umeambiwa yote ni 120 degrees. So 120 degrees over 360 times 22 over 7 times our r squared. R squared is 7 squared for the time being. Sawa mpaka. So hii 7 itaondoka. Hii itaondoka, itabakia moja, so ni 7 power 1. So don't confuse it. So kaona vituko tu. So 120 over 360 times 22 times 22 times 7. So it gives you a total or summation of 51.33 centimeter square. So swali la kwanza tushamaliza. The area of trapezium XABY. So tutafuta trapezium side. So for us to calculate the trapezium ni hii hapa trapezium yote. So this is a trapezium. So let's write the trapezium. Let's write the trapezium just in case. So trapezium yetu ni hivi. Hii ndio trapezium yetu. So ukiona trapezium yetu XABY. X sijui ni kwa wapi. But whichever. X A B Y. So I hope niko sawa. Yeah, niko sawa. So XA tutajua tayari ni 7 centimeter. We all know that from X to Y ni 14. Sawa. So X to Y ni 14 centimeter. Now we had confirmed with this one. So on X na Y tutajua ni 14, 7 plus 7 ni 14 centimeter. So this angle ni 60 degrees. Mpata vipi 60 degrees? Ni ile 120 degrees area ile angle ya sector divided by 200 over 60 degrees. Haya. So our main concern ni kupata height na kupata this part. So this part is very important. So if you were to draw hii part toita nini? Nataka toita Q. So hii part ni Q. So okay, whichever case. So no, this is not the part Q. Sije tukakoroga tu. So this is not the part Q. So what we know that if you want to solve such question, you need to find height and together with this one. So A tayari tutajua ni 40. Your area of trapezium is given by half A plus B times height. So what we need to find is your B and your height. So you have a triangle like this. So which is a right angle triangle. So we know this is 7 centimeter. We don't know the height. We also don't know this. But we know this is your angle 60 degrees. Then first step is to find the two sides. So let's find for this. Okay. Let's find for that. So let's find it. Let's assume this one to be your C. So let's say this is A, this is C. Okay. 𝐿(𝑥)𝐴(𝐵)(1). So it's just an assumption. So this is your x. Okay, so if you wanted to find for AC, then you do something called 𝐒𝐂𝐂𝐓. So between 𝐒𝐂 and 𝐶, which one will you use? Right. So since the angle, you don't know the opposite of it, you need to find the opposite, and we know the hypotenuse, so therefore we use so sine theta opposite over hypotenuse. So sine theta obviously is 60 degrees, so sine 60 degrees equal to opposite here, 20x over hypotenuse. So if you want to find x, that means that 7 times sine 60 of lambda times sine 60 is equal to x. So x here to 7 times sine 60 ni ngapi? 7 sine 60 itakupa around 6.062 centimeter. So paka hapo tutajua. Another aspect ni tushapata hiyo height yetu. So you know our height ni 6.062. But let's find for xc. So this one. Hiyo. Na kuipata hiyo xc squared is equal to ax squared minus ac squared. So xc is just equal to square root of ax squared minus ac squared. So we'll take the hypotenuse, which is 7 squared minus 6.062 squared, alafu wafanya square root. Sawa paka hapo. So ni 7 squared minus 6.062 squared, then square root yake itakupa 3.5. So wajua 3.5 centimeter. Now obviously you know this is 3.5. Hapo wajua tayari hapa ni 3.5. It means that hapa pia wajua ni 3.5. So for you to get your b, this one, which is just the one which is down, okay, you'll take 14 minus 3.5 times 2 kwa sababu ziko mara mbili on your right and your left. So 14 minus 7 is just 7 centimeter. So let's use the formula. A half times a plus b. So a half times a yako ni 14 plus b ya 27 multiplied by height of 6.062. So a half times 21 times 6.062 is equal to times 21 times 6.062. It should give you 63.6516 centimeters square. Wazaandika to for significant figure, which is also this. So this is your correct answer. So let's say the shaded region, which is this. So the shaded region for this is this is on V. So for you to get the shaded region, okay, shaded region, utachukua ile area ya trapezium mbili, area of two trapeziums minus area of two sectors. So of two trapeziums itakuwa 63.65 times 2. Remember ukitafuta trapezium mbili itakuwa umepata ya juu na ya chini. So this one. Alafu ukisubtract na hii hapa pia of the two sectors ya hii na ya hii itakupa ile ya shaded region. So I think tumeelewana. So I think tumeelewana, tuko pamoja. So 63.65 times 2 minus area of two sectors, which is just 51.33 times 2. So hiyo 63.65 times 2 itakupa 127.30 minus 51.33 times 2 itakupa 102.66. So if you subtract this ones, 127.3 minus 102.66 itakupa 24.64 centimeter square. Sawa paka hapo. So we are together on that. So that's the answer for the last question. Let's go for that question, not the last question. The last question is equation of a straight line. So umeambiwa line B whose equation is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0 is parallel to another line C which passes through the point minus 7, 4. So swali lasema find the equation of C in the form y equal to mx plus c, where m and c are constants and hence state the coordinates of the y-intercept. So kuna line hapa, hii ni line B. So you have line B na line C. So line B na line C. So line B equation yake tayari wajua ni 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Na line C huna equation wala huna gradient. So maana ukauliza find the equation. But you know it passes through negative 7, 4. Sawa paka hapo. So the gradient for two parallel lines are equal. So always remember that. So let's first find the gradient for line B. Alafu tutaipa hiyo gradient kwa line C. So you should always write in this form first of all. So 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. So all of them peleka the other side, so itakuwa ni 3y equal to 4 minus 4x positive 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, y equal to minus 4 over 3x plus 4. But the question is, what is our gradient? This is our gradient. So m1, since it's minus 4 over 3, automatically it means that m2 is also minus 4 over 3. Sorry, let me just grab this and write it a good line. So since wajua m2 yetu, sasa m2 ni minus 4 over 3, it's m2, and your point ni negative 7,4. So let's find out the equation. Your equation is given by y equal to mx plus c. Sio? So pale ambapo kuna y, pale ambapo kuna x, pale ambapo kuna m, wa substitute na gradient and the coordinates. So hii ni x, hii ni y, and the m ni hii hapa. So y yetu ni 4 equal to m yetu ni minus 4 over 3 times your x, which is minus 7, plus c. So 4 equal to minus 4 over 3 times minus 7 is positive 28 over 3 plus c. So c yetu itakuwa 4 minus, kwa vile itaenda the other side, itakuwa minus 28 over 3. So c yetu ni 4 minus 28 over 3, which is just minus 16 over 3. So your final answer should be written in this form. So y equal to m yako ni m yetu sasa tutajua ni ngapi, ni hiyo minus 4 over 3x. M yetu ni minus 4 over 3 plus c yetu ni minus 16 over 3. So this is your equation. But now what is our y-intercept? Our y-intercept is usually the point through which your line passes through the y-axis. So this is our y-intercept. But for this case, ukiambiwa y equal to mx plus c, usually short way ni kujua y-intercept is just your c. So your c is usually your y-intercept. So in this case, our c was minus 16 over 3. So this is our y-intercept. Kuliko kufanya sijui. Y-intercept is usually when x equal to 0. Hata ukisubstitute bado answer itakupa hiyo hiyo. So our y-intercept is this minus 16 over 3. So answer yako utaandika 0, minus 16 over 3. Or you can also write it as 0, minus 5, 1 over 3. So this is your answer. So your answers are 2. Another line D is perpendicular to C. So kuna line C hii hapa, and there's a perpendicular line to line C. So which is D. So what you know Another line D is perpendicular to C and passes through the point -5, -C7. Okay, find the equation of D in the form of this one, not in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So what you ax plus in the form x plus by equal to c, where a, b and c are integers. So what you know, gradient here c ni -4/3. Si tayari tunajua tulipata hapo gradient yetu. Line D m2 hatuna. Sawa, but so that's because for you to write an equation lazima uwe na point ya D tuko nayo, lakini gradient yetu hatuna. Equation relationship ya perpendicular lines ni kuwa m1 times m2 ndio equal to -1. m1 let's say ni -4/3, situmii mambo mingi, therefore it means that m2 is equal to reciprocal of -4/3, which is 3/4, na sign wabadilisha kwa positive. So now you have a gradient and you have your point -5, -7. So tatumia njia nyingine ya kutafuta equation. So obviously 3/4 is equal to gradient equal to change in y over change in x. So it means that y minus -7 over x minus -5. Bado lakini waweza tumia ile ya namba, ile formula ambayo nilitumia hapo juu, but I want just to use this. So ukiangalia hapa itamaanisha 3/4 is equal to y minus -7 y plus 7 over x minus -5, itakuwa x plus 5. So cross multiply, it means that 4 you'll multiply to y plus 7 is equal to 3 multiplied to x plus 5. If you open up the bracket, 4 times y ni 4y, 4 times 7 ni 28. Sawa, hii na hii. 4 times 7 ni 28. Tushapata hiyo on your left side. 3 times x ni 3x, 3 times 15 ni 15. Sawa, collect the x and the y should be together. So 4y peleka huku, hii ilete huku. So itakuwa -15 plus 28. Na hapa itakuwa 3x minus 4y. Let's write in this way, 3x minus 4y equal to -15 plus 28. So 28 minus 15 is just 13. So equation ni 3x minus 4y is equal to 13. So this is your answer. So this is your answer. Tuendelee. Find the point coordinates of the point of intersection, so of the line C and D. So tunasema line D and C are perpendicular to each other. Hii ni C, hii ni D. So pale ambapo imekutana, so let's say hapa, so this point of intersection. So tafuta vipi? Sio? Which is easy, it's not that hard. So tukitafuta then the coordinates zake. Mwanzo tutafuta equation ya C na D. Equation ya C una pahali tumeandika, sio? Ni y equal to -4/3x minus 16/3. So y equal to -4/3x minus 16/3. Says how. Equation ya D, let's also write it in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So remember ilikuwa ni 3x minus 4y equal to 13, sio? Hii peleka huku, hii ilete huku. So itakuwa 3x minus 13 equal to positive 4y. So 4y equal to 3x minus 13 divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. So y equal to 3/4x minus 13/4. So hiyo ni equation ya D. So since both of them are y's, so obviously y is equal to y, sio? So utachukua ile equation ya y, utachukua tu zile expressions. So utachukua -4/3x minus 16/3, uta-equate kwa 3/4x minus 13/4. So hii peleka huku, na hii ilete huku. Ama kuliko kufanya hivyo, Wacha tufanye the other way. Hii minus 14/3 ilete hapa na hii hapa ilete hapa. So hapa itakuwa ni positive 13/4 minus 16/3 equal to 3/4x positive 4/3x. So itakuwa ni ngapi? 3/4 plus 4/3 itakuwa 25/12 x is equal to 13/4 minus 16/3. So hapa itakuwa minus 25/12. So if you want to find for x, you times by 12/25 times 12/25. So x yetu itakuwa peleka kutoa hii itakuwa minus 1. So but let's find for y. Tuko sawa? Y tulisema tuweza tumia yote. Let's use this one. Okay. Let's use this one. This 3/4x. So y equal to 3/4x minus 13/4. So y equal to 3/4 times x here, which is -1 minus 13/4. So hapa itakuwa, hata ukiandika hapa, let's just write it here. Hapa itakuwa y equal to 3/4 times -1 ni minus 3/4. Okay, mana minus 13/4. So y equal to minus 3 minus 13 ni minus 16/4. So y ni minus 4. So coordinate yako x ni -1, -4. So this is your final answer. I hope to go. This is our final answer. So with that, further ado, do not worry, tujuko na nini. Without further ado, hiyo ndo answer yetu. Without further ado, hiyo ndo answer yetu, -1 -4. Sawa hapa. So this is our answer. So always remember, so this is our point of intersection, and don't forget to subscribe, share Mind Mastery tutor. So go to subscribe here, share it, and if you have any comment on today's lesson, don't also forget to comment it. وهذا السلام عليكم وإلى اللقاء. Bye.